Have you ever wondered how you can make money from StarterStory? Well, let's unravel that mystery together. Welcome to StarterStory, a platform that goes beyond the surface, delving deep into the world of entrepreneurs and their unique business journeys. Imagine a space where you can learn directly from individuals who've turned their dreams into reality, overcoming hurdles and celebrating victories along the way. But what if I told you that StarterStory is more than just an educational platform? It's a potential gold mine, a revenue source waiting to be tapped into. Yes, you heard that right. With the right approach, StarterStory can become a powerful tool in your financial arsenal, helping you generate income while you learn and grow. If you've ever been curious about how to turn these entrepreneurial stories into a source of income, you're in the right place. So stick around and let's explore the potential of StarterStory together. So, how exactly does one make money from StarterStory? You might be asking yourself that very question. And the answer is, there are several ways to turn your involvement with StarterStory into a profitable venture. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a method where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral. Think of it as being a middleman, except in this case, you're working in the digital space, connecting potential customers to the products and services they need. It's a win-win situation. The seller gets more sales, the buyer finds what they were looking for, and you get a piece of the pie. Next up, sponsored content. This is when a company pays you to create content about their product or service. The content could be a blog post, a video, a podcast episode, or even a social media post. The key here is to create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience while showcasing the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. Again, it's a win-win situation. The company gets exposure, your audience gets valuable content, and you get paid. Lastly, you can make money by creating and selling your own products or services. This is perhaps the most direct way to monetize your involvement with StarterStory. Do you have a unique product idea? Or maybe a service that you know people need? StarterStory can be an excellent platform to leverage for launching your own business. So there you have it. 3 different avenues for making money: affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and creating and selling your own products or services. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges, and what works best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Now that we've got an overview, let's dive into the details. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a strategy where you promote products or services of other businesses and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital salesperson, but you can do it from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere in the world really. Now, how does this work on StarterStory? The platform allows you to share your business journey with a wide audience. In the process, you can sprinkle in affiliate links to products or services that have helped you along the way. When a reader clicks on one of your links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Getting started with affiliate marketing on StarterStory is relatively simple. You first need to join affiliate programs that align with your business or industry. These could be anything from software tools you use for your business, to books that have shaped your entrepreneurial mindset. Once you're a part of an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This link is what you'll share in your StarterStory posts. Remember, the key is to provide genuine value to your readers. Make sure the products or services you're promoting are genuinely helpful and relevant to your story. Let's look at a couple of examples. We've had entrepreneurs share their journey of starting a successful e-commerce business. In their story, they mentioned the hosting platform they used to build their website, providing an affiliate link for it. Thanks to the trust they built through their transparent storytelling, many readers clicked on the link and signed up, earning the entrepreneur a tidy commission. Or consider the founder who shared their experience with a particular marketing course. They included an affiliate link to the course, and readers who were inspired by their success signed up using that link. Once again, the founder earned a commission on each sign-up. As you can see, affiliate marketing on StarterStory is all about authenticity and relevance. If you can share your journey in a way that resonates with readers and provides them with valuable insights, the affiliate commissions will follow. Next, we'll cover how to make money through sponsored content. Scene script. Sponsored content is another way to generate income on StarterStory. Diving right in, let's first understand what sponsored content is. Essentially, it's a form of advertising, where an advertiser pays to have their content, product, or service featured within the platform's regular programming. It's a great way to seamlessly integrate promotional material into the user's experience, making it less intrusive and more engaging. So, how does this translate to StarterStory? Well, imagine you're a company offering a tool that could help entrepreneurs streamline their operations. You could sponsor a story or a series of stories on StarterStory, offering valuable insights and solutions to the readers, all while subtly promoting your product. Getting started with sponsored content on StarterStory is as straightforward as it gets. You first need to reach out to the StarterStory team with a proposal. This should clearly outline what your product or service is, how it benefits the audience, and how you wish to integrate it within the content. Now let's look at some examples of successful sponsored content on StarterStory. An excellent case is the story sponsored by a project management tool. The story revolved around a successful entrepreneur who used the tool to manage his team and projects. The story was engaging, offered valuable insights, and subtly promoted the tool throughout. The end result? Increased awareness and a surge in sign-ups for the tool. Another example is a story sponsored by an e-commerce platform. The story featured a successful online store that used the platform. Through the story, the audience got a peek into how easy it was to set up and run an online store using the platform. Again, the story was engaging, offered practical advice, and subtly promoted the platform, leading to increased sign-ups. So, there you have it. Sponsored content offers a unique opportunity to promote your products or services while providing value to the audience. It's all about striking the right balance between promotion and value creation. Finally, we'll discuss how to make money by selling your own products or services. Selling your own products or services is perhaps the most direct way to earn on StarterStory. Imagine having a platform where you can showcase your entrepreneurial journey while simultaneously promoting and selling your products or services. StarterStory is that platform. It's not just about sharing your success stories, it's also a marketplace where you can attract potential customers and grow your business. Let's take a look at how you can go about this. Firstly, you need to have a product or service. It could be anything from a handmade craft, a digital course, a unique piece of software, or any service you offer. The key is to ensure that what you're selling is of high quality and has a market demand. Once you have your product or service ready, the next step is to showcase it on StarterStory. You can do this by sharing your entrepreneurial journey, the challenges you've faced, and how your product or service is making a difference. This will not only inspire others, but will also act as a promotional tool for your business. For instance, let's take the case of John, a successful entrepreneur who sells handmade soaps. John shared his journey on StarterStory, detailing how he started his soap-making business from scratch, the difficulties he faced, and how he overcame them. This story resonated with many readers, making them curious about his product. As a result, John saw an increase in sales and gained a loyal customer base. Similarly, Sarah, a digital marketing consultant, shared her story on StarterStory. She spoke about her passion for digital marketing and how she helps businesses grow their online presence. Her story caught the attention of several businesses looking for digital marketing services, and Sarah saw a surge in her client base. These are just a couple of examples of how you can use StarterStory to sell your own products or services. Remember, the more authentic your story, the more it will resonate with the audience. So don't be afraid to share your journey, including the ups and downs. It's these experiences that make your story unique and relatable. Now let's recap what we've learned today. So, there you have it, the 3 main ways to make money on StarterStory. We've explored the vast potential of this platform, and how it can help you generate income in diverse ways. First up was affiliate marketing. We delved into how you can leverage your influence and traffic to promote products or services of others, and earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. Next, we discussed sponsored content. This is where you partner with brands and businesses to create posts or articles that subtly promote their offerings, earning you a tidy sum in return. Finally, we touched on selling your own products or services. By utilizing the StarterStory platform, you can directly reach your target audience, showcasing what you have to offer and turning viewers into customers. With these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to turning StarterStory into a lucrative venture. Start your journey today.